Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, and welcome back to the Sovereign FX YouTube channel. So, currently, I'm looking at the Euro futures, and I know you're wondering what's going on. And without further ado, let's do the analysis. And this is why I expect Euro USD to drop. I usually like doing my analysis on the futures pair before jumping on the CFD, which is Euro USD. Currently, we are on the weekly, and fundamentally, let us quickly just look at our COT data. I have this plotted out. If you need the indicator, make sure to follow the Discord link in the description. So let us look at what the retailers are doing. And you know, when retailers are buying, we sell. When retailers are selling, we buy. We just do the opposite. Okay, so currently here we had retailers selling, then we had buys, we have retailers buying, so we have to look for sales. It's always been that way. Look at this: buys, a sell happens; sells, a buy happen. So currently we're having some sort of a double top at the retailers COT data. That's why I'm looking for sales. Let us look at the commercials. So the commercials is opposite. They actually lead us to where price is going to. So if you realize price is going down on the commercials, this means you're going to sell. And currently we are making intra-year lows. Before we break this, I'd like to see a break of this before I enter. So if you have buys, just expect buys. If you're having sales, expect sales. That's what happens with the commercials data. They actually lead you, they guide you to where price is going. That's why I love COT so much. Okay, that's that. Let us drop down to the daily, because fundamentally we are looking for sales, but just saying sales isn't enough. We're always gonna look for our entries based on supply and demand. So currently, if you look at this is where my support is. I like to call it demand because it's a zone. Support gives you a notion that it's just a line or maybe a single price level, but this is my zone. This is what I'm looking for. So I'm just looking for sales from here all the way down here. Okay, so that's that. Let us look at another indicator. So we have our trend tool as well. We are currently in an uptrend, but we are anticipating a downtrend because we failed to make a higher high. We are making a lower high, and currently if we break, we're gonna get sales all the way down to here. This is almost 1200 pips, and if you're in our group, we are doing this on a daily. This is just a weekly analysis for the YouTube community, but looking at our Discord, we're doing analysis on everything. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. Something slight, nothing too much, something slight. Exactly. This is what I'm looking for. Then I'll have positioned myself for sales around here, having my stops there, a risk to reward of 1 to 2 to 2.5, and we are done. So that's why I'm expecting Euro USD to drop harder than your confidence during a losing streak. But yeah, that's that. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. Make sure to let me know so I can do more. See you next time.